this is the very first pie we ever made. It was a different shape though. We started making these in 2004, but in a different shape, very similar recipe. And so yeah, this is the original. We were making these before we made pork pies. We were making these in a wooden shed on my farm. It was clean. It's a good floor. Right. Okay. Do people want to step up for some Ali Baa Baa? Have you read Arabian Nights, Jack?
No.
So you don't know about Ali Baa Baa? It's thieves.
No.
40 Thieves.
40 Thieves. Yep. Come on, Louise. It's actually called Ali Baa Baa because it's bar bar, as in sheep. We're using mutton, not lamb. Mutton's got more flavour. The main spice is Ras El Hanu, which we blend here, don't we? Because we couldn't buy it in any bulk, so we just worked out what the ingredients were and made up massive batches. It's lovely. Yeah, it's really tender.